Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find password and security. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down and tap on encryption and credentials. And almost at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. We have to also enter our screen lock to confirm. And not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.